You can call me Rorkz.
What's up people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rory, but you can call me Rorkz. And welcome to part 2 of Rorkz Draws. So in part 1 I drew the bigger dog. He had his blue cape and he had his cool little red and blue suit on. Not too bad. And now I'm going to be drawing the smaller dog, and he's going to be in his superhero suit as well. So let's start off with the rough. Let's go. Okay, so there is the rough version of the second dog sitting. It's okay for now. Things to fix here and there. I'm going to go and neaten it out and then apply some colors, and there we go. Let's go. Okay, so I've just gone and done like a rough kind of shading to see how it would look. Probably not the final idea, but just to get a rough idea. Now I'm going to go on to the pen tool. So I'm going to pen around the whole dog, and then I'm going to create a new layer and color it in and see what that looks like. Let's go. Okay, so I've created a solid line going around the whole dog, so it's easier for me to color later. I'm still not 100% happy with the eyes, especially the one on the left side. Yeah, the dog's left, my right. Maybe the colors will help, the shading, you know, it's a bit difficult with the perspective, but it's all trial and error, and yeah, let's go on to the colors. going to create the suit. I'm also going to think of something as I go along. My idea at the moment is I'm going to create like an emblem at the middle. It's going to be round with like a bone symbol again, and then that's going to connect into a collar, which is going to go around. He's going to have a cape as well, and I'm thinking the color scheme is going to be black and gold. Try and make those work, and if that doesn't work, I'll change the color, but that's what I have in my mind at the moment, so let's see if that works. I'm not sure if I want to give him a cape or not. We'll see how it goes. Could have two dogs with the capes, could have no cape. But for now, I'm just going to do a neat version of what I've got here and see how that turns out. Let's go! Next, I'm going to start coloring him in and then shade, and then I'm going to put him next to the first dog that I drew and see what they look like together. Okay, there we have it. So the suit color is done. We've got black and gold. Unfortunately, earlier I had some technical difficulties. My screen recorder stopped working. I didn't realize it, but I didn't do too much without the screen recorder working. Anyway, that's done. We'll see what it looks like with the dog layer there. So yeah, there we have it. Now the next thing to do is to shade it in. Okay, so there's the second dog complete in his golden and black suit with his little goggles on. This is what he looks like next to the first dog. So there are the two super dog hero suits. Stay tuned for part 3, where I'm going to be drawing the chinchillas. I'm going to be drawing them as ninjas, calling them ninchillas. Until then, have a good one and see you next time. Bye!
You can call me Rorkz.